Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, my community of foodies. Yes, if you watch my channel, may I subscribe, click the like button, share and comment. Yes, so it's a beautiful day today. What did I make? Oh my goodness, I made a salad today. A salad made of cauliflower, snow peas, and shrimp. Cauliflower, snow peas, and shrimp. Yes, the cauliflower. Oh my goodness, this is an excellent vegetable. Yes, it's good for lowering cholesterol. Do you know that? And also weight management. The cauliflower is also good for digestion. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And then we have the snow peas, which have low calories and they are good fiber. They also have vitamins and minerals. And what do I have now for the shrimp? The shrimp has cholesterol, yes, but what I try to do is I eat it once a while and I balance it out by matching it with a cauliflower and snow peas, yes. And then the dressing of this salad, it is 4 spoons of olive oil, yes, 1 lemon, yes, and dried chives, and also dried dill, yes. So this is a beautiful, tasty salad, a healthy salad, yes. So this is for you today. As the weather is beautiful, you go out with the salad like this. You're sitting on a bench reading a magazine, or just having your lunch. Pack it in the morning, go with it to the office, yes. Share with a friend. This is quite a salad. You can share with a friend, can't you? Or you can even prepare it and just give it to a friend. Anyway, that is it from me. It is a cauliflower salad with the shrimp and snow peas. Yes, may I ask for you to continue to support me and please subscribe. Other than that, have a beautiful day and enjoy the rest of it. Yes, and keep watching. See you again with another dish or a salad. Thank you. Bye bye.